to go over this package really quick because it is a unique vehicle. As you can see, this is a Shelby GT out of Shelby American in Las Vegas. They actually build these cars from a 401A performance package Mustang. So you take the base Mustang, add the premium package, performance package, and all the bells and whistles, and then you end up with this right here. Fully loaded Mustang, Bang & Olufsen sound system, has the sync system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated and cooled seats, and I'll come over and show you that now. It is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous interior you have here. And then at Shelby, they went ahead and replaced the plate here to give you a CSM number to let you know this is a unique Shelby product. You do have the interior that's been rewrapped with this beautiful Shelby leather that retains the heated and cooled functions as it is perforated. You do have the digital dash as part of that 401A package that changes with the different drive modes, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But what's special about this car in particular is it started its life as a Shelby GT. It's going to be naturally aspirated, 480 horsepower, and we went ahead and put a Ford Performance supercharger on there. As you can see, it's going to be the phase 2, bring your power output to 750 plus horsepower, makes this thing absolute rocket ship. And what's special about this one in particular, it is mated to the 6-speed GetRag MT82 transmission. That's going to get you exactly what you want to have when you're driving a vehicle like this. Total control over the power at any moment in time. You got 3 pedals there. Definitely an enthusiast choice. If you have any other questions about the vehicle, please feel free to message or comment directly to me, and I'll be happy to go over with you. I'm gonna go ahead and get you a cold start and start up and look at the screens on that 401A package.